Hello guys, how's the Ramadan going? Come with me as I take you to one of our invitations from NAFEL for iftar. It's open for the member of NAFEL and Fayata, Association of Freight Forwarders and Logistics. So guys, ang venue sa Queen Elizabeth II. Hotel siya sa may Bordo Bay. Pero ano siya, yung cruise ship. Parang cruise ship siya. So, ayan, maganda yung pagbungad namin. Yan, that's the boat. Ay, ship pala. Yan, that's the gang. Kasama ko yung mga Indian namin na The Queen Elizabeth II. Tapos maaga kasi kami, so ang ganda lang. Nakita namin yung vicinity ng Bordo Bay sa port, Mina Rashid Port. Ang ganda doon, and I was excited to witness the sunset. Maganda din area doon. So, very calming. Aga kami guys, as usual. Medyo maaga kami sa mga event. And, dagdag na yung parrot doon. Nakakatuwa siya. Ang cute. And, medyo may chance kami na ikot-ikot konti yung 5-deck siya eh. I think sa captain yan. It's nice. Parang feel mo ba para kang mag-travel. Pero ano lang pala siya. Naka-steady lang siya dyan sa port. So, I have the chance na magkuha ng konting video. Pero hindi lahat kasi kakahiya to open yung food nila isa-isa. But all in all, masarap yung food nila. Well, sharing you their gold carpet. Yan, chill lang guys. Medyo malamig na yan. And the party is over. So yan, sobrang laki talaga ng boat. I cannot get a good angle. And so exciting. Ito guys, they have the gold like penny souvenir. So try namin. Di pala tinatanggap yung tender hams na new. So I use my card, debit card, and then yun.
Okay.
Tender hams. Kaso hindi nagbabasa ng instruction. Kailangan pala, sige, turn.
Where?
Until daw yung souvenir lalabas. So, yun, ikot. I got the Elizabeth na yung sa boat mismo. Nakakatuwa naman, guys. Kaya, busog na naman.
Very good.
Dahil, hindi nagbasa ng instruction. Pero, ayan, yan, for tender hams. So, that's the boat. Sobrang laki. Hotel din yan siya, guys. Marami ding mga resto doon. May mga resto. And that's a library there. It's nice doon. Chill lang. Yan. Thank you.